Hi everyone, Kevin here from the pre-press team at Newprint.ca. Today I'll be showing you how to properly set up a file for printing using Adobe Photoshop. First off, I'd like to point out that Photoshop is not the ideal program in which to design print media. I strongly recommend using either Adobe InDesign or Illustrator. However, if Photoshop is the only program you have available to you, this tutorial can serve as a guide to getting you the best possible results. Step number 1 is going to be to determine the size of our finished document and how many pages. For today's example, I'll be setting up a business card, which is 3.5 by 2 inches. After deciding on a document size, we can go ahead and make a new document. In Photoshop, select File and New. You should now see the new document window on your screen. It's always a good idea to give your document a name right from the start. I'll be calling my document Tutorial. Now all we need to do is select US Paper from the preset menu. Then we can go ahead and put in our document dimensions. We'll start off with width, and then height. If your document has elements that go right to the edge of the page, it's referred to as a bleed. A standard bleed usually extends 1/8 of an inch beyond the document size on all sides. Since Photoshop was not designed to produce print material, we don't have any options in the new document window to set up a bleed, unlike Illustrator and InDesign. If your document does require a bleed, you'll have to manually add 1/8 of an inch to all sides of your document. I'll touch more on this in a separate tutorial about bleeds. For today's example, our document won't bleed. Since this document is destined for printing, you'll need to make sure that the resolution is set to 300 pixels per inch, and that the color mode is set to CMYK color. The menu beside that should be set to 8-bit. This is the standard color space for printed material. Choose your background depending on your design requirements. And now all you need to do is click OK. And there you have it, a brand new Photoshop file ready for you to start working with.